Animal Hospital. I've been hearing about this game a lot, so I finally played. It's about helping cute animals, like this little guy. But some are monsters in this game. I'm gonna try and join in first. Okay. First day as a vet. My TV has some friendly content on, so I don't get a little too scared over this game. I'm here for my appointment. First, you do this. Here's your name. Room 1. Let's go to room 1. Right this way, madam. Or sir. How do I tell a gender difference? I'll be just a minute. What does this patient need? Ouch. Some fresh herbs. Now I think I see why people play as group. Well, no biggie. How are you feeling? Splendid. Okay, it's your turn. I was in the middle of doing my job. Thanks, I'll be in room 2. Follow me this way to room 2. What? Room 2 is right? Oh, you tricked me there, bud. Ouch! We're gonna be speed running through this. Oh yeah, I'm not using my headphones this time because the doctor. We have found the doctor. Hey doctor, mind lending me a little help? Quick, close the door! What? No self-service? You look scary. Like, look at that. Don't worry, I got you. Are you like the doctor's son, or do you need any help? Need any assistance? Never mind. Huh? Alright, whoops. Oh yeah, and I stopped using my headphones for these videos because I'll be with you in just a minute. I'll be right back. You'll be in room 4, you said? Let me get the door for you. What did I about to say? Ouch! We're saving the doctor's son. What do you need, sir? Eye drops. Or bone glue. Oh, he needs a bandaged. You look okay. Hurry up! Oh, do they appear different in the picture? Glad to see that the doctor's son is doing... What's this? Check on him. Close the door, close the door. Sorry, we're out of service. What? Look, dude, do you not know where you are? Okay, I'm gonna need to ask you to leave too, man. Cheers. Good. Finally! Just wait in the waiting room, and I'll be here for you. If I ever ran this hospital in real life, I bet I would have a stack of papers. Let's take a lecture. Glad to see that this deer is not a monster. now scaring me. Water. It's time to drink water. Is this stuff they use in those bags you see in hospital water, or something different? Hello, doctor. Just not done with my patients. Chicken, candy, or... Ooh, a bear! Shift 2. Man, plus guys, I want to know y'all guys' opinions of this since I'm playing this. Oh, let me check your photo. Well, it's too late now. I want to know y'all guys' opinions on what I'm thinking about right now. Close it. Oh no. Oh, there. What? Oh no. Oh no. What do I do? Just wait patiently and walk around. Where's the generator? Where's the generator? Where's the generator? Where's the other patient? Is he alive? Is he dead? These lights down. What is this room? I'll get to you in a minute. Hang on. Oh no. That did not sound like good news. Get out of here! No! Both of y'all better lay! You monster! Okay, I should not go to... Y'all guys are... I don't know what to do. Water! Don't we need a patient with... Okay, we got a bake, sir. Where? This is scaring me. Oh, scissors! Be patient. Hey, be patient. Fine. You look normal? I don't know what to do with this patient. This is kind of Ugh! What is that? Did you do that? This game is a little freaky. Look how my dad looks really cute. I'm sure he's okay. Okay, I'm kind of getting... Ah, heck nah! Ah! Green, blue, yellow, blue. Oh, that's... Let's make sure you're not a monster. What is wrong? Maple syrup. Why maple syrup? Here's your maple syrup, bud. Oh, and whatever this stuff is, maybe... just syrup? Let's start off with this one. Ouch! You're gonna live. Syrup. Why maple syrup? Ouch! this time. What's wrong with your eye, bud? Actually, oops, I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. Please, come back. Actually, you look, I don't know if that's normal, but I can't believe I just sucked that bad. So, what are the pictures gonna look like? Looking normal. What? Don't look up. Just don't look up. Um. We need to, Bud, we need to evacuate. Shut down service. Sorry, son. No time. It's an emergency. Let's try killing him. No. Well, that don't do. I don't know what to do. Syrup. Throw the syrup. Can't we just die and see? Well, guys, I might just end this video right here. So, yeah. This game was really hard to understand. Might need to look at a YouTube video. Give me a few minutes. Okay, I kind of looked through YouTube, but nothing really kind of helped out. It said not to look up, but I don't know for how long, but I basically just shut down the entire hospital for... No, I was protecting everyone from entering the hospital. I was trying to evacuate. Well, that's the end of this video. Bye, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Oh yeah, and let me know if you want me to add an animal hospital group to my Animal Friends series, Heaven the Animal Friends.